Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm back with another makeup video. It's been a minute, I know. Let me first address the elephant in the video. You see that little bump on the top of my lip? It's a blackhead. And I tried or I made an attempt to burst this blackhead, and I did. And now my lip is swollen. I don't know why it is that I would have done it before doing this video, but I did. And yeah, that's why my lip is swollen. It's nothing else really. But anyway, what's popping, guys? I do hope you are all well and in good health. Now, we're not going to try to sit here and talk about the panini. We're just going to talk about makeup. We're going to talk about what's been popping with Makeup by SHARZ. Hi, newbies. What's popping? I know a lot of you maybe haven't seen me in a while, since it is that I have actually not posted much, but I'm still here. Now today I'm just going to be doing my makeup. It's not really, some products are new, some aren't. As you already know, Juvia's Place is my thing, so most of this, well, a couple of the products that I'm using is actually Juvia's Place, but yeah. The eyeshadow I'm applying now is actually a Juvia's Place palette. This is their berries palette, one of the little the small palettes that they have. That is the one I'm using. The palette that I used before for the transition shade, that is actually a Jeffree Star palette. There's another shade I'm going to be using from it as well, which you will see shortly. Now, the Jeffree Star palette, I really do like it. The palettes are really, the shadows are really pigmented, which is why it is I have one. I have one actually in my working artist kit. For those who are new to the channel, yes, I am also a working makeup artist. It is my passion and I love makeup. Anybody will tell you. But yeah, oh yeah, that's the shadow that I'm using now from the Jeffree Star palette. All the products that I'm using right now, I will be listing it in the description box below. So don't worry, I'll make sure that I put them down there because I'm usually falling behind where that is concerned. But I'm going to be listing it down below. And that shadow is actually one of my favorite shadows from one of the palettes. Love it. Now, the primer I'm using right now, I've never used this primer. I've been hearing all sorts of, oh my God, it's the boss, it's the boss. It is a nice primer. I actually have one as well in my professional kit because, as you know, we don't want to try and share that with clients and stuff. So yeah, it's a really nice primer. I've been using it on my clients now for the past 3 weeks. Really nice. And it grips that foundation. It's not going anywhere. Now, this foundation, this is the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush foundation. I love it. Now, this is actually a travel size, I think it is. I got it in a Sephora box. A sample size, sorry. It's a sample size. I got it in a Sephora package. I bought some stuff and I got it in it and I am really loving it. Like, this is my second time using it because I sampled it when I got it and then I'm using it now full face and it is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Now, this concealer as well. This is the Cover FX concealer. Oh Lord Jesus. Where have I been in using this Cover FX concealer? It is beautiful. It's light. It doesn't fall into the lines under my eyes, and when it's set, it sets beautifully. Look at it, and it blends so seamlessly and effortlessly. Guys, I don't know. I've been going through a season now where my skin is concerned. As you can see, Bumpy and Friends have run out. I don't know. It's been crazy it's been this way for the summer. So it's been on and off. It's been good one point and it's been sucky, and now I'm in the sucky season. But I'm getting there. I'm getting back to it. Trust me, follow this one instruction, drink your water. Now, this foundation stick from Black Opal, you all should know I really do love Black Opal from long time. Now, this shade I actually saw on YouTube. YouTube made me do it. I saw this shade, someone using this shade on YouTube, and man, this one is ebony brown. So pretty. So absolutely pretty. I love it for warming up my face. If you have been a long time follower, you know I don't contour, but I use those shades to warm my skin up and set it with bronzers. I love when my face looks, like I've been in the sun for a little bit, just nice and warm. And the powder that I'm using to set my face, this is the Laura Mercier powder in the shade Honey. I've spoken about that before. It's a love, will always be a love. As well as this bronzer that I'm using. Again, I spoke about that in one of my, I think in my last maybe 2-3 videos back. This is the bronzer from Juvia's Place. It's also a love of mine. Yes. But guys, really and truly, this was just a video for me to sit and just do my makeup. It's been a minute and I had so much on my mind. I just really wanted to just clear my mind and enjoy makeup for a minute. And it's been a while since I've been able to do that. And yeah, this highlighter is also from Juvia's Place. I don't think it's new. It's one called Heroine, but it looks really light, like it's only for lighter skin, like medium to lighter skin complexions, but it actually works for mine and I really do love it. It's pretty, like when you leave it to sit for a while on the skin as well, you actually see the golden tones coming out in it. It's not super golden, so if it is that you're going to be using that shade on maybe a darker skin tone, I would definitely suggest or recommend that it is mixed with a golden highlighter. But it's really pretty. But yeah, I've really been just living right now, like seriously guys. Oh, let me not go into that. Let me talk about this gloss. Now this gloss is from Nardanaé Beauty, a Jamaican brand. This gloss is beautiful. Again, if you're a long time follower, you know I love gloss and I love nudes. The pencil that I'm using, or the line I'm using as well, is also from Nardanaé Beauty. Glides effortlessly. Beautiful shade. Yes, and I love it. Love it. Sorry about that, guys. I love it. I'm recording this voiceover on my phone. The gloss smells awesome. Like you'd really want it. See, yeah, it smells so good. Look at that blend. It's so comfortable. It's not sticky. Oh, Lord have mercy. I'm really loving this gloss. Like Nardanaé has certainly hit the nail on the head with this one. But guys, this is literally the look. Yep. And I love it. Thank you all so much for sticking around. If you haven't yet, please subscribe. I will try to be posting more videos. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the